Hello my dear students, your English teacher is back with new story, that is The Mysterious Zetabed. My dear students, before beginning the story, I am sure that you all know the alphabet. Yes, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. If I say you people the same alphabet to say or write in a reverse order, can you? Now just take a minute quick and try it. Will you? Okay, let me wait for a minute. Sorry, time up. Now, if I say you the same thing to write it, you will finish very quickly and you can read it very fast and you will complete it in a second. Here, our today's story is also based on something in a reverse order. Let us see it. Zachary Zwicker sat in his backyard looking at his homework. It was a long list of the words he was supposed to put into alphabetical order. Here, Zachary Zwicker is a name of a boy who was sitting at his backyard. Your backyard is back of your home. He was having the list of words as his homework. Actually, the homework was to put all the words into an alphabetical order. Alphabetical order in the sense where you can see the words in your dictionary. The alphabet bores me, said Zach. He didn't like ordinary homework. He liked to read books full of strange facts or prowl through a dictionary, looking for unusual words, especially words beginning with Z. But actually Zach did not like the homework which was given for him to arrange in an alphabetical order. Instead, he liked to read books full of strange or facts or prowl, means here through very difficult words. He used to find unusual words, especially he liked the words beginning with Z. Zach leaned back against a tree, closed his eyes and thought about his name and initials. ZZ. What wonderful initials to have. Z. Here, Zach just sitting leaning to the tree with closed his eyes and thinking about his name and his initial. Initial means to his surname, which is going to begin with Z. He was just thinking or recollecting the word to be with Z. Zach found himself drifting into space. He seemed to be rocking jerkily and then realized that he was being carried in a cage by four hooded figures. The road twisted back and forth and he was jolted from side to side against the bars. Jack thought himself that he is into a motion, into a space. Here drifting is motion. He seemed to be rocking jerkily. Here jerkily is just quickly push or pull or twist. And then he realized that he was being carried in a cage. A cage is what, like something we are keeping the animals in the zoo like. And he was thinking that someone is carrying him into a cage. That is, a cage is what we keep the animals into the zoo and all. And just he was imagining that he was being carried by some four hooded figures, means he was imagining some of the animal. And the road was not in a proper or a correct sequence, because the road was not in a correct, it was like not a pakka road, it was like kacha road. When you see, when you go when it rains heavily and all, it will be muddy like. When it is not a good road, we just how the bike or the vehicles go, we go up, we touch to the corners of the things. He suddenly saw a tall man in a gaudy uniform galloping up on an odd-looking animal. He glared down at Zach and twisted his large mustache. Zach saw a man in a gaudy uniform. It's just like a very shabby uniform, who was galloping up on the some animal which was looking odd. Galloping in the sense just he was beating for that animal, and he glared down at Zach and he was just shining at Zack and twisted his large mustache. You know what is mustache? Mustache is what your father or grandfather have on their upper lips. Zounds, you must be the boy our secret police rescued from that terrible place whose name begins with an A. The man staring at Zack just claimed that he was the secret police who was rescued from the terrible place which begins with A. Zack supposed he meant America but was too frightened to ask. Zack was thinking A means America, but he was too frightened to ask the man. I am Zizimund the Seventh. What is your name? Zachary Zwicker, stammered Zack. Here, stammered means stopping and speaking or repeating the words or letters again and again. Zachary Zwicker? 4 Z's, says Zizimund, misunderstanding Zack's pronunciation. With a name like that, you should go far here. Put him down, step out. Here, Zizimund misunderstood Zack's pronunciation and he was not getting his name. So with such kind of name, he don't want to take it. He just wanted to put him down. The road twisted so much that I became dizzy, said Zack as he was staggered out. The road was so twisted that Zack became dizzy. Dizzy in the sense he was feeling giddiness and he was just staggered out, means from side to side he was moving. Because of that he felt giddiness. All our roads are zigzag roads. Welcome to Zekland, the land of Zetabet. Zizimund said that the roads are in a zigzag way and he just welcomed to the land of Zetabet, that is Zekland, and it is a land of Zetabet. You haven't learned your ZYX fret. Right now you say Zetabet backwards, but soon you will recite it properly and as fast as I do. Z Y X W V U T S R Q P O N M L K J I H G F E D C B A. Yes, it's really difficult, as I told you in the starting, to just recite the alphabet in a backward. I think you also find it difficult. Here, Zizimund jumped off his steed and said, you will notice I am riding our national animal, the zebra. Here, Zizimund jumped off his steed. Yes, steed is a horse. And just he said that he was riding the national animal of the Zekland is zebra. Zack knew enough about animals to know that zebra can never be tamed. Zack was knowing more about the animals and he was knowing that zebra cannot be tamed. Here, tamed means it cannot be trained like dogs or horse, etc. Zizimund's zebra looked like a horse with black strips painted on it. Zack is thinking that Zizimund's horse, it is a horse, but it is painted like a zebra, like black and white strips like zebra have. Are you sure it is a zebra, sir? Asked Zack. I think you got cheated. Here, Zack is asking to Zizimund that, are you sure that it is a zebra which you are riding? I think that Zack is thinking that Zizimund got been cheated. Silence. When I say it's a zebra, it's a zebra. Zack asked him a question that you got cheated. He got angry and he just made to switch silent for Zack, and then Zack said, yes sir, said Zack, but it still looked like a horse with a bad paint job. He just scolded for Zack. He just said, yes sir, it is looking still like a horse which you have been painted very badly. Be careful, young Zwicker, said Zizimund sternly. You will be asked some questions, and if you answer them correctly, you may become a #1 Zeklander. If you answer them incorrectly, we will turn you into a terrible creature like those creatures that were carrying your cage. When Zack said that still it looks like a horse, Zizamund said him that for Zwicker to be careful, and he is going to ask him some few questions, very strictly questions, and you have to answer them correctly. If you answer it correctly, you will be the number one. If you give it a wrong answer, then we are going you to turn into a terrible creature like those creatures that were carrying your cage, like how he came into a cage, some four-hooded animal was carrying him. Like that, you will be turned into a creature. Zack trembled as the four creatures threw back their hoods and started at him with horrible blank eyes that looked like zeros. Jack was full of fear. He was just thinking about the four creatures which threw back him with their hoods and whose eyes were looking very horrible and looking like zeros. Now listen closely to our rules. Zizamund gave him some rules and he wanted Zack to listen it. Yes sir, you can use ordinary words that begin with the unimportant last letters of the alphabet: L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B and even A, but important names must begin with important letters. Above all, no A names are tolerated here. Zizamund said him some rules of the questions, that some of unimportant letters of the alphabet, and he said, and even all above and A names are not tolerated here. They are forbidden. Do you understand? Children, as this story is little bit big, I have to do in two parts. I will continue my story in the next part. Till then, I'll give you just for a fun one game here. Okay, are you ready? It's just for fun. Try to write your name or your friend's name or any of your family members' name in an reverse order. Example, my name is Wahida. If I write my name in a reverse order, it's very difficult for me to read it and it looks like funny. So, you also have some fun with this. Let me continue this with further in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.